Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. It's been a while, London session. It's been a while. But we're back. Morning, Benny. Good morning, Rosie. Let's get it cracking. So gold is currently bearish on the daily. Obviously, the big news of today is CPI this afternoon. We'll check that out on stream later. But for now, yes, gold is bearish. We had a massive pullback on Tuesday from the highs. CPI could see a further pullback. I'm not sure what CPI is going to bring. I'll analyze that later on. But for now, London session, we're just going to be waiting for CPI, I guess. So 4 hour is bearish. The trend, current 4 hours bullish. If it closes bullish, it's going to form a support, potentially to push back up. But I don't know. I think I'm going to wait for CPI for gold. Try jumping on that momentum. We've got 4 hour resistance at 2905. Can't call this a support yet until the candle closes. It's still got just under 3 hours to go. Do have a support at 2860. Pretty clean down as well. Yeah, gold is going to be a bit, it probably won't be tricky. If we can just stick with the immediate trend for today, for this session, could get some sells. So if we create a lower high, we get a resistance, we can sell down, closure below the support. Not going to overthink it. Just trade this market structure, right? The sells obviously look better. It's clean traffic. Got 70 pip range. But you know, the overall trend is bullish on gold. Okay, 4 hour. That's my daily analysis. Let's go to a clean chart. Right, so pound yen, didn't expect it to be up here. So according to news, pound yen, well, the yen suffered some weakness over Trump's tariffs on steel and I can't remember what else it was, steel and something else. Maybe aluminium or some type of construction stuff, and it's weakened the yen, strengthened the dollar as well. Apparently it doesn't look very strong, but yes, the yen is suffering some weakness on some new Trump tariffs, so we are getting a pound yen push. So obviously if the yen gets weaker, pound yen is going to go up, which is what we're seeing. So the daily is very bullish, and you know we've held at this support down here, this 4 hour support. So we are pushing up from a decent high time frame level. Now we do have a resistance at 191.5 area. So So I want to see how price reacts here. And then the support is all the way back down to 187. So the only way I could see a 400 pip drop on pound yen is potentially reacting to CPI. But I'm not sure if that will happen today. Right now, pound yen is just ranging. So we got a resistance here. Support here. It's quite a tight range. I might wait until it breaks this little support right here. I mean, the range is still tiny. 24 pips. So one candle. GJ kept pushing. Yes, it did. Oh, let me change the session name because we are definitely not in NY. I'm not sure if we'll get much movement today in London just because of the big news later on. Let's see what the market gives us. See if we can catch something. So you can't wait for CPI later. Do you know what? I love CPI. One of my friends used to say that it's my Super Bowl. Yeah, I've had some crazy moves on CPI. Caught some good ones. What was I gonna do? That's it. Yeah, definitely caught some good moves before. Definitely a lot more cautious now. Not to be gambling. Wouldn't even mind a retest here for gold. So if a retest or resistance below this level to sell back down to the bottom of this range. Is this 110 pips? About that. About that. Computer sounds crazy over there. I hope everything just doesn't range the whole morning. That's usually NFP vibes. Password. GBPJPY. What's up, cat? We got no bottom wick on this candle too. I don't think we're going to get any volume until at least the market opens. GJ's got to pull back a little. Maybe. I would like it to retrace some of this push and create some market structure to come back up. I would like to see that for sure. Pretty clean range. a nice little push up though for gold, 100 pips. Bad little push. Yeah, I know, right? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Well, let me check out that article that I read about pound yen. GJ. So yen languishes near 1 week low against USD. Focus remains on US CPI. So the yen continues losing ground amid worries about Trump's trade tariffs. Fed's hawkish stance revives the USD demand and lends support to the USD JPY pair. Rising bets for another Bank of Japan rate hike in March could limit any further JPY decline. Okay, so they're basically saying trade tariffs are what is making the yen weaker right now, but the fact that they might be raising their rates in March will stop it from pushing down, from dropping too much. Could limit the drop, which makes sense. Obviously, when the country is raising their interest rates, it strengthens the currency. And Japan is on the up and up. These trade tariffs could mess up their economy or mess up their progress. And then Jerome Powell talking yesterday. Talking about the US economy, boosted the dollar as well. Cool. Some food for thought. Let me send this to the group. News? Did it send out the news today? Yes. No, it didn't. Did it? It did not. Yeah, steel and aluminium imports from March the 12th. Tariffs on automobiles, pharmaceuticals, and computer chips. Okay, we didn't get that closure below, but we've got 3 bearish candles at the moment. Yen looks stuck. GJ looks stuck right here. Okay, gold respecting this resistance. So if we create a resistance here, I think we get a lower high to continue down to the bottom of the range. Hey Anna, what's up? Good morning. I think we're gonna get some ranging this morning. Got that high impact news later on. Looks like this support might be holding for pound yen. That's why you gotta wait for those closures below for confirmation. Okay, gold breaking that previous low. Yeah, it looks good to form a resistance now to push, keep pushing down. Gold sells before CPI. Hey, we've got a lot of time before CPI. It's got to go in one direction, right? It's got to go somewhere. What's the, let me see what CPI is supposed to be. I think it was 2.9 is the forecast. Yeah, 2.9%. CPI, which is the same as previous. but month to month it's supposed to have gone down, which is good. But yeah, they want it to be 2%, don't they? And it staying the same as last month is not very good. High CPI leads to well, I saw the price drop into the 190s. Damn, 20 minutes left for this candle, and it's breaking the support. Even if I use this support here, still wouldn't have been a closure below. But no, the clean candles are below this support. Clean all the way down. So we've got a little potential retest of down here. It's a long way to go. God, 20 minutes wait for this closure. What's gold doing? Would be nice to get an early trade in. How many pips is this so far? 20 pips. Of course you're taking an M15 entry, of course. Of course you are. It'd be nice if you get a little bottom wick on this 15-minute as well. Give you these entry candle lows. Like maybe if the next 15 taps this support and then breaks the low, you have a really nice stop loss. The 1 hour looking like, or 1 hour continuation pattern. Oh, this would have been nice. I don't look at the 1 hour enough. 20 pip stop, 22 pip stop. See how this 15 minute play turns out. Alright, there's your 15 minute closure, Benny. Let's see what it does from here. Sells at the break. Yeah, I thought it might come up and retest this support at least, this broken support. But for me, when a 30-minute candle pushes too much in the beginning of the candle, I don't like it, because there's so much time left for a retracement, which is kind of what's happening now. That's why I prefer the push to happen towards the end of the candle. Probably why I don't really use the 15 as well. Obviously that's kind of what's happening here. But then, on the flip side, the good thing is that the 15 is pushing up first. then maybe towards the end of the candle, it might come back down. What's Goldie doing? Ugh, nothing. Here we go. Right, is this 15 gonna flip? You sent me the ticket to the Dutch. Look at GJ. Okay, that 50 minutes breaking the high. That means the 30 minutes flipped bullish. Yeah, the support is strong right here. Be careful. So who sent me the link? that's not it there. Maybe snap. Yeah, everything's just going to be ranging, I think, before NFP today. Might even get a pound in closure above. Oh, what a push. Damn. So much for closure below. You gotta stick with the trend, I guess. Right now it's very bullish. Okay, 4 hour just broke the high. Only thing I'm concerned about is this 4 hour resistance. But I mean, the way it's pushed past the rest of them, this one, and with a bullish sentiment, I think we just push past it, honestly. Because we got a 30-minute resistance right here. That's over 20 pips away. Only problem right now is the stop loss, because we can't use the previous candle. Jesus, like gold stop losses, 52 pips. What a push. Alright, so potentially, if the next candle pulls back, retests this resistance, and then flips, breaks the high, I would be looking for some buys, I think. one, give away something for you, Jack and Jill. Alright, 1 minute till this candle closes. Let's see what's going on. I definitely like the buys because we've got a low here, resistance. This is like a higher low. This is like a little higher low right here. Now we've got a closure above. Range isn't massive, unfortunately. Got 4-hour resistance above and a 30-minute resistance above. 40 pip, 39 pip range. And we're like halfway into the range, but if we get a decent bottom wick, no, we've got 24 pips to go. We might can squeeze a little 20 pips out of this. Alright, if we get a nice pullback, nice bottom wick, I need a bit of a top wick as well. Don't close with no top wick. Come on, just a little bit. Perfect. Alright, we need a bottom wick, then a rebreak of this high, and we could be in some buys. Would prefer a better bottom wick, but I'm gonna have a little buy stop here, I think. And then I'll put my stop loss below this resistance. Alright, I've been entered in here to some buyers. I've got my stop loss about 20 pips. Really just looking for at least a 1-to-1 here. Oh my god, this has got to be the quickest trade I've ever taken. I didn't even have time to put my TP in place. Imagine. Imagine. But I'm definitely going to close some partials here because it is a resistance. And just let this thing run. That volume is insane. Right, so where would I want my runner to go? Let's have a look. It's pretty clean. So we could potentially go all the way up here. 95 pips? Is that asking a lot? I don't think so. I don't think so. But yeah, I've closed partials anyway, just because it is a decent resistance right here, especially with these wicks to the left. Look at this. So I'm just going to lock some in and just see if the runner decides to run. But I think that was my quickest trade. Just at like 2 minutes. Wow. Definitely my quickest trade, apart from news. Literally 20 pips in 2 minutes. Now we could get a closure above, another closure above. And we know the range to the left is super clean. Look at that. We can close above. We should get a nice push. Go on, keep going. So hopefully the next 15 minutes doesn't pull back. Because like I was literally just saying, You know, when price pushes straight in one direction too early in the candle, it can reverse towards the end. Hopefully not. But either way, locked in 20 pips. I'll be right back. To her. I'll send it to her. Cool. Oh, that's my running. Look at gold. Gold looks like it's dropping. Oh, look, got the resistance. Probably gonna sell to the bottom of the range now. Damn, that's alright. Got the quick win on pound yen. Ooh, was very close to that runner hitting break even. Very close. You closed for the 23 pips. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. In and out, right? In and out. We're on a nice little run recently. Getting some decent trades in. Just got to survive the next 15-minute candle. I'm not sure if we will. Not sure if this runner survives it, you know. Ooh. Especially with the next 15 about to make a bottom wick too. Runner hit break even. And if it rejects, look where it's rejecting. Four hours resistance, 30-minute resistance. We've got these rejection wicks to the left. Yeah, gold is a missed opportunity. But I would have liked some gold sells, potentially break of this low. Entry candle high. I can't even see where it is. Something like that. So I said I wanted this resistance to be respected, or resistance form to create a lower high, and then sell down to the bottom of the range. But GJ gave us the quick 20 pips. GJ gave us the quick 20. W trade. Nice, nice, nice. Love, guys, love. What's it doing now? I still think it moves bullish from here, to be honest. I just think it had to react to these levels, right? Could get a 15-minute continuation. Refill the wick. Keep pushing. Or it could form a resistance and sell back down into the range. Do you know what? I'm gonna see how this candle closes, and then I might leave it here because I don't see anything else. If I don't get an entry at 8:30, I'm probably not gonna take an entry at 9. So kind of got the trade for today. So if this candle now closes below, I'll take sells on the 8:30 candle. Still got 15 minutes to go. Let's see if this candle fills the wick. It's going to break the low, potentially push down. Yeah, I'll give it to the end of this candle. But I don't know if we push up and close above now in the next 15. Normally like a retest of a broken resistance. 15 minutes broken the previous low. Pound yen, pound yen. It's a long wick to fill now. You're going to get a retest of this resistance, or is it going to close back below and that'll be a fake out and sell through it? I hope it's a retest. Pound yen is very bullish right now. Alright, might get another continuation candle on the 30-minute. Need gold, ideally, to close below this 2885. GJ's coming down. So closure back below this resistance, and we could potentially have a fake out. If this resistance holds, then it's just a retest. And we could get a support going back up. So let's see how it reacts to this broken resistance. We're going to get a little bounce. Either this candle or the next candle. Have a little break and retest. And the stronger we push away from a resistance, like, the more likely we're going to retest it. Like, the stronger push after a breakout, it usually gets retested. That's kind of why I wanted the entry candle to pull down first, like retest or get close, and then flip and push up. Then I think the buys would have carried on, because obviously it would be towards the end of the candle. But in this case, obviously it pushed straight up first, and now towards the end of the candle it's pulling back. So let's see if we get a closure back below, and then it obviously would be holding at this this 4 hour resistance too. It's quite a pullback looking at it. 40 pips at this point. So it looks like the 4 hour might create a lower high around here. It'd be very interesting if this 4 hour flips. And then I think we could get a push back down. If you've got a long rejection wick. Still an hour and a half before that happens anyway. But you know, got to prepare for these things. Got to look at the bigger picture. Yeah, I think the sells, that's it. I think the moves happen. Not going to get anything else. Gold is playing about in this range. And 8.4. I think I'm done for this session, you know. Secure my 20 pips. Yes. Back for NY, back for CPI, guys. Back for CPIs. Hopefully you jumped into this trade with me. But yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.